Hello, dear drivers. Today we'll tackle a challenging traffic rule quiz. How to properly perform a dangerous U-turn at an intersection. Making a U-turn at an intersection is a potentially dangerous maneuver. Test your knowledge of U-turn rules to avoid trouble on the road. Question: what route should the red car take? Answer options. 1. Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Both. The correct answer to the problem will be waiting for you after analyzing the situation. Don't rush to look at it. Try to solve the problem yourself. Situation analysis. How to properly perform a U-turn. Before making a left turn or U-turn, you must take the far left position. Traffic regulations. U-turns at an intersection are permitted if there are no prohibiting road signs. There are none in the problem. The turn must be performed so that when exiting the intersection, the vehicle does not end up in the oncoming lane. Traffic regulations. When making a U-turn at an intersection, you can take any route, but only within the same intersection. The main thing is not to cross into the oncoming lane or use a pedestrian crossing, if there's one. Correct answer. In the problem, the intersection has two intersections of roadways separated by a median strip in the form of a lawn. If you follow Route A, the vehicle will end up in the oncoming lane. Therefore, the permitted route is B. Be sure to let us know in the comments whether you solved this quiz and your answer. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends.